Hey, what's up everybody? Mike from Green Team Lawn Care. I'm here at one of my clients' lawns right after a rainstorm. I've been watching the compaction on this lawn for a while, so I wanted to get here after a rainstorm so I could show you guys a couple of things you gotta look out for and a couple of things that happen when you let your lawn stay compacted. I'm going to take the camera off of the stand. We're going to get close and we're going to see some real close-up shots of some of the real bad issues that are happening here and that you might see in a compacted lawn. But real quick, I did want to give you a quick overview on what you would see, not even having to go close. You would see, as you can see, the lawn's going to grow in tufts. It's going to grow in spots. You see how you got these circular patches of growth? This is actually from aerating at one time. So this is going to need to be aerated and overseeded probably a couple more times. But you can see here where it was actually, the seed got into the aeration holes and only grew where the aeration holes were plugged into the ground. So over time we got to keep on working that ground, get more aeration holes, more seed, and get this soil loosened up. So one of the first things I want to show you guys is the sign of the most compacted type lawn you're going to see is pooling of water after rain. Now today we only got about maybe an inch and a half. It wasn't anything, you know, substantial, but you can see the water is just pooling here. If you don't have any drainage in your lawn, it's likely compacted. This is a real big issue, and it causes what we're going to go on to look at next. All right, so you probably already know water with anything doesn't mix. Usually some sort of bacterial, fungal growth happens on almost any surface. And here you could see that this is developing what they call a slime mold. That just develops from that standing water. You also have what looks to be like the green mossy stuff that we usually see, which is, yeah, it's essentially moss. Let's look if I can get a better picture here. So you can see the precursor of moss there. Okay, thank you for watching my video on compaction in the lawns. Make sure you click the button below, subscribe to my channel. We have more videos on compacted lawns, what to do about them, how to aerate, how to overseed, and how to take care of fungus, okay? Thank you.